how to change the voiceover speech pitch on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on VoiceOver. Then we go down and tap on Speech. In here, to change the pitch, you can drag on the pitch slider bar to the left or to the right. You can also tap on pitch change button to turn it on or off. And that's it. Now if you tap on the back key to turn on VoiceOver.
VoiceOver on, Settings, Accessibility, Back Speech, button. VoiceOver off.
And here, if you bring the pitch back to neutral at 50%, now we can turn on VoiceOver. You can hear the difference.
VoiceOver on, Settings, VoiceOver off.
And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.